Welcome back to the DFWplumber.com Dallas Fort Worth Plumbing Podcast, where we break down everything you need to know to keep your home plumbing running strong and problem-free. I'm your host, Andrew, and today we're starting at the very beginning, a true homeowner's walkthrough of how your home plumbing system works. If you're new to home ownership or no one has ever explained how water moves through your house, this episode will be a game changer. Once you understand the basics, almost every plumbing topic suddenly makes more sense. Let's start with where the water comes from. Most DFW homes receive water from a municipal supply. That treated, potable water travels through city mains, under the street, then branches off into a smaller service line that feeds your home. The first important point you should know is the water meter, usually in a rectangular ground box near the street. Beside it is the curbside shutoff valve, the emergency kill switch for your entire home. After water passes through the meter, it enters your property through the main supply line. This line feeds into branches and manifolds that distribute water throughout the house. Newer homes typically use PEX. Older homes may have copper or PVC. Regardless of material, supply lines are always under pressure, which is why bursts can spray water forcefully. In DFW, typical water pressure ranges from 55 to 75 psi, though some areas are higher. Now let's talk about hot and cold water. Cold water comes in directly from the city. Hot water is produced inside your water heater, whether tank or tankless. And from there, the two temperature lines travel separately to sinks, showers, tubs, laundry connections, dishwashers, and so on. Cold lines are more common because not every fixture requires hot water. Next is the drain waste vent system, or DWV. This system carries used water and waste away from your home. Unlike supply lines, drains aren't pressurized. They rely entirely on gravity and slope. Under every sink, tub, and shower is a P-trap, that curved pipe holding a small amount of water to block sewer gases. When you smell foul odors from a drain, a dried-out trap is often the reason. All individual drain lines eventually connect to a main sewer line that exits your home and ties into the city sewer. From there, gravity carries everything away. When you hear terms like slab leak, sewer clog, or backup, they typically relate to issues along these drainage lines. Now, a commonly misunderstood part of plumbing, venting. Those pipes sticking up through your roof aren't chimneys, they're plumbing vents. Their job is to let air into the drain system so wastewater can move smoothly. Without vents, water would glug and sputter like a bottle turned upside down. Vents prevent suction, keep P-traps from being emptied, and maintain proper pressure throughout the drainage network. Next up, fixtures and appliances. Every faucet, toilet, shower, water heater, dishwasher, and washing machine is simply a controlled access point to the supply and drain systems. Each fixture has its own valves and moving parts. When a faucet drips, a toilet runs, or a drain slows, the issue is almost always within that fixture, not the entire plumbing system. Before we wrap up, here are key maintenance touchpoints every homeowner should know. Main shutoff valve. Know where it is and test it once a year. Fixture shutoff valves under sinks and behind toilets for quick isolation. Water heater controls. Know how to shut off water, gas, or power in an emergency. Cleanouts. Exterior or interior access points for clearing deep clogs. Visible plumbing. Check under sinks monthly for leaks or corrosion. Water pressure awareness. High pressure shortens the life of your entire system. Once you understand these building blocks, water coming in under pressure, wastewater leaving by gravity, and vents balancing the system, plumbing becomes far less mysterious. You'll recognize problems earlier, understand what your plumber is explaining, and know when something needs urgent attention. If you want a licensed plumber to walk you through your home's plumbing layout or identify potential weak spots, visit dfwplumber.com. And if you enjoy these beginner episodes, subscribe. We've got much more coming. Thanks for listening to the dfwplumber.com Dallas Fort Worth Plumbing podcast. Take care, stay prepared, and we'll see you next time.